Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the BSI Trend Indicator available for both MT4 and MT5. BSI stands for Bar Strength Index. This is a trend channel tool that uses weighted moving averages and multi-trend filtering to signal trend direction, trade entries and exits all on a single chart. I'll walk you through how the channel and signals appear, what they imply, and the settings you can work with. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so as you can see on the chart, the BSI Trend Indicator draws multiple lines that form a dynamic channel structure, mirroring the behavior of Ichimoku cloud trend lines but built from bar strength index and weighted moving average calculations. In an uptrend, the channel is shaded in green or blue tones with price riding above or within the upper portion of the channel, signaling bullish bias and potential buy entries when price respects the lower channel boundary as support. In a downtrend, the channel shifts to red or orange tones with price trading below or within the lower portion, signaling bearish bias and potential sell entries when price fails at the upper channel boundary as resistance. The indicator also identifies overbought and oversold conditions within the channel, providing additional context for timing entries at better value prices within the prevailing trend rather than chasing momentum at the extremes. Let's take a look at the indicator settings. The weighted moving average period controls the responsiveness of the channel. Shorter periods make the channel react faster to price changes, while longer periods produce a wider, more stable structure suited to higher time frames. Multi-trend filtering settings allow you to adjust how many trend conditions need to align before the indicator signals a clear directional bias, helping reduce noise in choppy sideways markets. Visual settings. Let's take a look. Visual settings let you customize the channel colors for both bullish and bearish states, keeping the chart clean and easy to read at a glance. As for who it's for and its limitations, the BSI Trend Indicator is compatible with all time frames on both MT4 and MT5, making it useful for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who want a single tool that communicates trend direction, potential entries, and overbought or oversold context without a cluttered chart. It is a visual trend tool only, does not execute trades, and is most effective when its channel signals are confirmed with a secondary momentum tool such as RSI, MACD, or a candlestick pattern, particularly when price is near the channel boundaries. You can download the BSI Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. It gives you a clear color-coded trend channel built on bar strength index calculations with built-in overbought or oversold zones so you can read market bias, time entries against channel boundaries, and manage exits all from one indicator. If you got value from this walkthrough, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.